Hey there, Lucas Bolahood with you of the Bolahood Group at Coldwell Banker RMR Real Estate. Here's your October housing market report for Durham region. Now, we saw a slowdown in the real estate market in recent months, contributions from higher borrowing costs with inflation and interest rates being on the rise, but there were two straight months of rate from the Bank of Canada where they held rates. It's a pretty good sign. And that actually translated in October anyway. It looks like a 2.7% increase to the average sale price, up from 907,000 in September to 931,000 here in October. Year over year, we're up about 4.2% on a price point perspective, from $893,000 in October of 2022. Now, our new listing inventory increased just under 2%, but we're pretty well on par for where we were in September. But there was a 10% drop in sales, 588 sales, down from 653 last month. So that's going to have an impact on inventory. And inventory being on the rise, we've been moving towards a balanced market over the last couple of months, and we increased to half a month of inventory, from about 2.5 months to 3 here in October. And we closed the month with about 1,770 active listings compared to a little over 1,600 in August. But as of today, we're sitting at over 2,000 listings, both freehold and condo style properties on the market, which is leaving us at 3.4 months of inventory. Now, when we're heading towards a balanced market like this, buyers have a lot more opportunity to find the home that they want at the price they want than they would have had in previous years. So sellers need to be aware that there's two things that a home buyer is going to be looking at right now. And these are the two critical things, both the price point and the condition of the home. They can secure a home now in a conditional transaction. Not everything has to be firm anymore. And that, because they have more options, they can be more critical of both the condition of the home and how much they're going to pay for the property based on that condition. So those two things are very closely related. And if one of them doesn't align with the other, the home's likely going to sit on the market and take some time before it does sell. So think about long and hard about those two aspects if you're thinking about selling your home right now. Now, if you are thinking about selling and you've been in your home for 5 or more years, you're actually in a really good position, regardless of the fact that sale prices have been dropping and interest rates have been rising. You're still in a really good position because you've got lots of equity in your property, and all markets are really relative, whether you're buying or selling. But you're in a good position right now because even though rates are higher, you're likely not going to have to take on a larger mortgage as a result, because you've got all that equity to put down to the purchase when you're going to complete the transaction. So that's a good sign if you've been in your home for an extended period of time here. But with that, I'll leave it with this here and remember, this rule of thumb is you marry the home, but you date the rate. And if you can make payments work over the near term here, we're hoping for end of 2024 that rates might start coming down. So, if you can handle the rate, is a good time to buy, because there's no better time to purchase a home when prices are on the down slope. And with the opportunities you're going to have right now, you can find the right one. So if there's a certain street you're really thinking you want to end up on, this is the time to try and look for it. So with that, feel free to reach out if you have any questions whatsoever about what's been going on in your neighborhood. I'd be happy to share some of those insights with you. So until next time, have yourselves a great November, and bye for now.